How's it going today, guys? Well, we got this 305 here. Talked about it last week, and as I said before, or if you didn't hear, paid $50 for it, and I had to pull it out myself. Have no idea if it runs, know nothing about it, but for 50 bucks, figured why not. So I already got a carb on it. Need to figure out a distributor and a starter, and I'm pretty sure we're going to be ready to try and fire her up. So got it sitting kind of half-assedly on this car ramp, but no need to worry. We pounded a dig bar in the ground and C-clamped her to the alternator bracket. So
ultimate redneckery.
Yes,
Ultimate redneck.
ultimate. It should be safe. I mean, like, you gotta say, well, that's not going anywhere, or else it will go somewhere. So I'm not scared. We still gotta replace that spark plug. I do remember that. We broke one, so no big deal. All right, let's see what we can do. All right, got the #1 spark plug out. Things that you will never see me do because I don't agree with them is I will never use an impact gun for the spark plugs. I know a lot of people do that. I'm not one of them. So, wrench and socket. That's not even a spark plug socket. I know that, but at least it's not an impact gun. You can snap them off. Even with a wrench, you can snap them off, but less likely. Alright, so #1 spark plug out. Gonna put a screwdriver down in the cylinder and roll it over until we get top dead center. Then we will pull the distributor cap off of the 283 distributor and line it up with #1. And we're gonna drop it down in there. And yes, this originally HEI engine is gonna run on points, but we don't care about that. We want to know what it sounds like and if there's any problems with it. So, like I said, we got plans for this engine. Maybe.
He's been itching to get it started.
Yes, we do. Alright, so we got a points distributor on here. We got our positive wire hooked up. Pretty sure we timed it right. Let's see if it'll light off. Maybe. I think it tried. We'll need more fuel.
Do you have any fuel hooked to it?
No, I'm just seeing if it'll spark off.
Creepers! Creepers! Woo!
Hang on.
Sounds like a hit and miss.
Slightly out of 10.
Oh, level!
Didn't like that. Not yet. Wanted to. I think we got her timed right. We need a little bit more. Little more timing. She's gotta go.
The drain hole. I call it the drain hole.
Nothing like making the 80s reman motor run on points ignition. They love it.
I love it.
I hear a knocky, knocky, knocky.
Do you?
I do.
I hear it.
Don't sound good.
Let's give her one more round, Dad.
All right, buddy. I think we will give her one more round. But let me fill the float bowls.
We just gotta give her one more chance. If she fails all chances, we gotta give her one more chance. Maybe she'll pop.
So you should do this from the beginning. Fill the float bowl. Aha. Not sounding promising. That's just the starter making that noise, I think.
Okay.
Alright guys, put a new distributor in it, not new, it's the one off the Impala that you saw in the community post, and we haven't done a will it run yet on it, but these two videos kind of coincide. Anyways, put an HEI distributor in it, we got our positive power going to it. There's something goofy going on with that points distributor that came out of the Impala. Tried 6 ways to Sunday to time it, just wasn't having it. So put in this HEI and let's see if we get some lighty.
That HEI is from the new Impala that we got,
Yeah,
right?
yes, the 76 Impala.
Okay.
Yes, it is. All right. Give her a few pumps. Timing it right the first try.
Yeah, it's alive! It's alive! flames?
Yeah.
Oh.
I didn't want to run it too much longer because there's no water in it.
It sounds good. Well,
damn
babe,
good.
your head's cut off because I was trying to get that
Yeah, I
exhaust.
know it.
Or the, well, that's that,
Right.
in whatever it is.
You sound damn good, guys.
I want to see there was flames coming out here, so,
Hey,
no,
you know,
yeah. It does.
Sometimes people, the distributor matters, you know. I couldn't tell you how long I spent messing around with that thing. And
It was days.
I just couldn't get it to go. And so we'll keep it on the shelf for parts, but that's about it.
You're going to rev it one more time?
I don't know. We gotta.
I wanted to see, there were some flames coming out there on this side, and I didn't have the camera set up on that side.
Bit of a mysterious oil leak.
Oh, ooh.
But nothing that should stop us.
Do you think it could just be old residue that's melted
I-
off of there? Like,
Could.
from the heat?
Well, we got something going on here. Uh-oh.
Oh. This battery also sounds like it's boiling.
It's not the battery.
What is it then?
It's the oil on the engine
okay.
block. Alright guys, one more time with the $50 305. Then I need the distributor back for the Impala. So this week's video, gonna be short, but
Gonna be sweet.
gonna be pretty good. You know, lots of revving. Next week's video, same thing, probably lots of revving. Week after that, same thing. We got, I guess what I'm getting
The
at
point
is,
he's trying to get to
Yeah.
is there's gonna be lots of revving, guys, okay?
so I'm taking vacation to go and buy some shit. So turn on your notifications, is all I have to say. Good episodes coming. Like the one after the other kind.
Just stay tuned, guys.
Just stay tuned. I know, I talk too much. Here's the $50 305. Get my ass out of the camera shot.
Oh, you lost your block of wood again.
Alright guys, like, comment, subscribe. Franklin Stein's Garage.
Yep.
We'll see you next week.
If you can hear us after that.